Yun, again, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are in the world. For this vlog, we're gonna start off with going to the doctor. I'm gonna be trying to take sessions for chiropractic procedures. No? Yun, as I said, I'm planning to take some chiropractic procedures to my bones, to my body, since I'm not, yung mga bones ko almost siguro tabi-tabingi na, because I normally, as you know, I bike often, and then I play tennis often, and then it's taking a toll on my body. So I got some back issues, I got some shoulder, elbows, and wrist issues. So yung number one is yung left feet ko, more particular sa sa heel or sa sole. So I don't know if it's plantar fasciitis or is it a ruptured ACL or whatever. I'd rather have a specialist look at it and then make some chiropractic adjustments. So I'm going to Canadian Medical Center right now, and then most likely I will be taken a look at by an orthopedic doctor who will recommend me for procedures, no? So that's the next step. So see you around and join me on this journey. So yun, tapos na ako sa first assessment ng orthopedic doctor. Nagkaroon siya ng recommendation para sa chiropractic specialist or doctor. I'll be waiting for their call sa approval ng aking insurance para ma-cover yung full sessions, and we'll schedule from there. What I know is like around 5 to 6 sessions pagkakaroon. I'll vlog it about it too. So see you soon, bye bye.
Several days later.
Your hands are here, right? And the other hand forward. That's it. This is your first chiropractic treatment?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Take a deep breath, please. All the way out. Blow it out. All the way, all the way, all the way. Deep breath in again. All the way up. All the way. Take a deep breath in. Try. Yeah, now blow it up. Get all the air out, right? All of it. Good stuff. That one worked good. Okay, please lie on the right side.
Lie on the right side.
Yeah.
Face here.
Okay. So this hand can go right here. This one on top. Just don't move. That's good now. Let's bring this leg up a little bit. Okay. Don't move like that. You won't fall right, okay? But I'm gonna get you right to the edge, okay? That's it. So we start to go. Okay. Let's see where you're gonna get. Just try to relax your body. You won't fall in front. Just stay loose. Stay loose. That's it. That's lovely. Good stuff. Good stuff. Brilliant. Okay, let's go this way. So far, so good?
Keep the big spot.
That's it, yeah. Gotcha. Stay loose, please. Good stuff. On your back. And just scoot down a bit. and out. Blow it out and just absorb me, okay? Blow it all the way. Don't breathe again. That's the one. That's a beautiful one right there. Hey, Justin, very well. You alright?
Yeah, I'm alright.
You can handle some more?
Yeah,
So if you're gonna be serving up some nice aces now, I bet. Not against your wife, it's
yeah, of course.
she'll be looking good in her tennis fashion. You'll be serving better. Okay, Rick, when I push your right and left, is there any sensitivity?
Left. It's like not really much, but
How about here?
it feels like the left is a little tougher.
Also.
It doesn't really hurt, but
The first one was sensitive, the second one you felt like stiff?
yeah,
I gotcha.
they're not even.
Gotcha. Yeah, that's really in balance here. Just try to relax your neck as much as you can, okay? You're gonna hear a little, the sound is gonna be a little louder because it's close to your ears.
Yeah.
But just let it go a little bit more. That's it right there. Rick, the move is gonna be from here to here. Just like that.
Okay.
That's the one. That's the beauty right there. Alright, here comes number 2. Good stuff, my friend. Alright, come on up. Let's chat a little bit. And I want to also retest. So just stand up for a second, Rick. And when you go back now like this, is it better, worse, same?
Yeah, it's okay.
The low back pain still there, or?
Several days later.
Yun, today I'm a little busy. Actually, maraming errands. Earlier, I had this 45-kilometer bicycle ride and then went back home at inayos ng konti, and now I have 3 errands and I want you to come with me. First, magpapa-PCR test tayo since it's 14 days in Abu Dhabi. You cannot go inside malls, gyms if you are if your PCR is not negative for 14 days. So pag nag 15 days na yung application nila, magi-gray yan, and then you cannot enter establishment. So I have to update it, and then if you pay a few amount, maybe roughly around 600 pesos in 600-700 pesos in Philippine money, or in pesos. 50 dirhams siya sa 40 na yata pala. 40 dirhams na yata sa Abu Dhabi. And then next is we're going to Power Thread again to pay for to set up so they can start the jersey for my football team, and then as well as some adjustments on my bicycle kit. And then lastly, my third session with Dr. Oudi, a chiropractor. I want to have some hip and spinal adjustments for the 3rd time, and maybe this will be the last vlog about it. So sige, samahan nyo ako. See you. Tapos na ang aking PCR. Nag-PCR ako saan? Sa Alberg Laboratories dito sa may Najta Street. We've been dito lagi kasi mas efficient yung lines nila, and sometimes konti lang ang tao. Like right now, I went straight from the registration to the payment, and then sa swab test in less than 3 minutes. So I'm already out. Next stop is Power Thread. See you. Gahabol tayo ng oras. Tao po. Yun. Yun ang bagong tahi ng Skills Plus. Lumipat sila last month ng Power Thread. Ayan, tapos na tayo sa Power Thread. Nag-down payment na ako dun sa football jerseys ng Abu Dhabi football team. Tapos may adjustments ako ng konti. May experiment kami sa bid ng biking. Now I'm off to Dr. Oudi for my chiropractic adjustments. See you. Alright then.
Okay, so go ahead and lie face down, please.
And face down, should I?
Yeah, go ahead. Okay, just bring your arms up here, Rick, so I'm gonna step on if you go.
I can feel something in my left hip.
I'll check it for you. Let's start here. Take a deep breath for me. And blow out. That's it. Try again, deep breath. All the way up. Relax the shoulder blades, relax the back. That's it. Come back to that area. When I push right and left, right, can you get a difference in these two?
No.
Is there no sensitivity?
I think I can feel it. What do you mean?
Like is one more sensitive than the other?
Can you try again? No.
Yeah, right here.
That's like a little numb.
I see. And here.
Yeah, left is the
Left.
Yeah.
Yeah. Right left here, any difference?
Yeah.
You pick up a difference there when I rotate?
Yeah, slightly here.
It's more what, sensitive or
More sensitive. It fights up more.
how do we get it down and up? Any difference?
No. Here.
When I went which direction? Up? or
Now, going up.
Down. Okay, how about here? Up and down, which is worse?
Down.
Okay. Go ahead and line the left for me.
Now you do that.
Yeah. Alright, let's see. So both hands right here. Let's bring this leg up. Your shoulders are good, don't move them. But here, come a little closer from the floor. That way. Imagine. That's it. You already popped there.
That's good.
That's good. Good stuff.
It already popped even.
It was popping on setup,
Yeah,
yeah.
that's what I felt.
Yeah.
And I think I miss a kick.
Yeah, that's
When you miss something,
Yeah.
when you kick and then it flow out, and that's when I started feeling it.
Oh, okay. We're playing soccer, you know.
Yeah, I play soccer.
Ah, gotcha. Okay, let's go there. Shoulders good again. Just come a little closer. That's perfect. Stay loose. So you're not playing tennis at all, or?
I still play Saturday mornings.
Ah, okay. I got you. There's a little one here. Stuff. Good stuff. All right, everything's releasing so far. Come on down a little bit. This is the toughest area for you right now. This is upper and mid back. You have a little movement, but this one needs to free up more, okay? So bring your hand down there so that you watch. Yeah. Okay, take a deep breath. And up. Just don't breathe. You got that. Take a nice breath in. That's fantastic. You recovered?
Yeah. And
Woo. There you go, my friend. You should be kicking some nice curves in the top corner.
still don't put muscles in my legs. Haven't played for it.
Yun, so tapos na ako mag chiropractic adjustments. I think this is my third session and I'm planning to go back after maybe 2 weeks after a few more physical activities like biking, football, tennis, and whatever. What are the benefits of chiropractic? I'm not an expert, but what I can feel for the past month, nagkaroon akong 3 sessions, is like it aligns your spines, no? Tsaka especially most of us who are into clerical works or mostly on our office tables most of the time. Tsaka magkakaroon tayo ng back soreness, especially dito sa may part ng hips. So it eases yung pain doon, nawawala yung pain, and then yung mga adjustments, yung like for me who caught or hunchback, na-adjust na konti. The benefits are not really instantaneous but rather in the long run. tsaka yung ano, yung sa walking. One of the benefits I felt now, yeah, yung back pains ko nawawala. And then yung tendinitis ko sa left leg ko every time I play tennis or football. Previously it takes like around a day or day and a half before it eases, but the last month, since I'm doing my chiropractic procedures, siguro mga 3 to 4 hours goes back to normal na, and then it's not as painful as before. And what else, yun, yung feel mo yung light, and every time you feel that cracking sound, and immediately after you feel like you're being injected with cold water, and it gives you an impression na those clogged bones, muscles and tendons, and napuputak into place, yun yung feeling mo. And today actually I was more particular about my left hip, since I felt it like dislocated or something, yung hindi tama yung pwesto the last time I played football. Now Dr. Oudi already adjusted it, and check him out in Facebook. I'm gonna put some of his links below so you can understand more things about chiropracture, and then visit him in Canadian Medical Center here in Delma Street Corner, Airport Road, Abu Dhabi. Very nice, hope you try it. But for the meantime, sige, dito na lang tayo, at ika nga ni dito na Tengko, abangan ang susunod na kabanata.